Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jamil. So let's see where market can move and how we can plan for tomorrow. Last day I not able to make any video because I got notified from YouTube that I need to change my name of YouTube channel because there is some channel already have a trademark issue. So for that reason I have to change the name of my YouTube channel. So I think within 1 to 2 days or very soon I am going to change the name of YouTube channel. So I hope it will not going to affect my previous video that I already uploaded. So this is the thing that I need to share with you friends. So let's focus on the video. Last time we discussed on here. Right now market is standing very interesting place because you can see that previous time we discussed 95, 94 can become important support for the market because this level need to retest for the market because this is the place where market strongly break out on here. After breakout we discussed on weekly chart that market can become retest on here. After retest then it might become pullback slow and steady. If buy here then it will be slow and steady drive to the upside. This is exactly what we planned. Right now on a similar place market is trading. So 93, 94 it is going to be important support for the market. So how we can plan for tomorrow? Right now you have to remember one point. Whenever market become obvious, you need to plan for the reversals. What I mean by that, you can see continuously market is falling down. Last 3 day market continuously is been selling pressure from top to till support line. Everyone is expecting, everyone is selling in this market. So right now after 3 days of selling I might be scared to sell again one more time here because already seller in the profit and market exactly standing on his support line. So any of the place market can become reversal here for the profit booking or for the short covering, whatever you can say. So for this we are going to be wait for the selling because continuously market is selling and we know one point. Market cannot move in one direction because it's a consist of buyer and seller. So whenever market will go continuously going upside, definitely seller will short somewhere of the market and it will be retraced, then it will move on upside. So this is the price behavior of the market. So right now it's a continuously in one direction. You can see sharp buying and continuous selling. After support, let the buyer try from this place because it's a buyer range, it's the support. Let the buyer try. After buyer try again market is coming down, then we can plan for selling with aggressive quantity here again after the buyer try. So I hope you got this, you got my point friends, because this is the place we are not going to be sell aggressively. But yes, below 92 93 is still 92.50 we can planning for the sell. So let's check the 50-minute time frame to make it more easy so I can plan for tomorrow. Right now if you see here 93 92.50 it will going to be the major support for the market. Previous time market almost 1.5 hour market becomes sideways, then after breakout it's a sharp buying. That means this is the place for the buyer still will be wait for this place to buy again. So so you can see after touch 90 93 92 market completely become flat. And you can see if you see deeply here market is start to giving a sign for the trend reversal. Continuously last 3 day markets become selling pressure. After that market start to making W pattern. You can see small W pattern in 50-minute time frame. Note whenever you see W pattern you have to remember that it's a sign of reversal sign. Previous time it was temporary market. After trending market market also give us reversal sign. So chances are very high after tomorrow if market opens slightly gap up, a slightly gap up or even flat going upside, market can become volatile on here because 3 day we already get a trend. So right now market need to be paused on here. It's a completely sharp selling. Whenever market becomes sharp selling, this is the place we're going to be act as a resistance and this is the place we're going to be support. So between support and resistance market can become volatile for tomorrow. So we're going to be wait and watch which side market is closing. No doubt if we want to buy, this is the not place. Don't plan whenever market is going on upside tomorrow. If suppose if market start to traveling on upside, don't plan on the buying side because it might be trap. It can be reversed immediately due to this selling range. Definitely if we want to buy on here 98 97 and half, this is the place. Almost you can see more than 2 hour market after span the time is become sharp sell. So this is the place where we call as the resistance level. So any candle above 98 after become sideways, any candle above closing 98, it's a sign of positive market, because this is the place where going to be break of the resistance level. After resistance break, market can become trending market. So for tomorrow, we are going to be wait and watch what the market is doing. But yes, 92.50, if any candle closing again tomorrow, we are going to be short, but with minimum quantity, with very quantity, small quantity, because already 3 days selling, again selling without buyer, it is not going to be that much, not market is going to be easy for us. So remember, already a seller already in the profit, and closing our market already start giving sign for trend reversal. So tomorrow market can become reversal, but we are not going to be trade for the buying side. We are going to be wait and watch to see which side market is closing. The next day we can plan with the proper risk management. So let's say the stock, first stock will going to be the Berkshire Hathaway. This is the stock while we can planning to sell. But remember, this stock need to be open flat. If market open gap up 287.50, 288, immediately we are going to ignore this stock. But yes, it's look like it will going to be, it can be selling pressure for more according to the price action. Start selling, pull back, again selling, continue. As soon as the opening flat, as soon as you break 285 immediately, 285 immediately, we can planning to sell. And this selling we can see 281, 280 level also we can see. But for this, market need to open flat, then can continue for the market. This is the first stock. Second stock will going to be the Netflix. It is also for selling. You can see the price action completely is look like going to be negative for selling for tomorrow. So so for selling, it need to be open flat 221, 21.50, we can consider as a flat. After opening immediately, we can plan to sell on here, and $2 to $3 going to be stop loss, 1:2 going to be our first target. Anything above 223, 224, immediately ignore the stock, because it will going to be volatile on here. This is the second stock. So third stock will going to be the Facebook. Facebook, one interesting point I want to share with you. If you can see here, market continuously trading on a range. No doubt it's on very big range, almost more than near on month or more than month. Market completely trading on range. Though it's a range, but if you see clearly, almost market mostly touch point on his support level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 4 to 5 times market completely hit his support level. If compared to his register level, almost already only two time market retest his register level, and completely 4 to 5 times already hit his support level. So if this support 155, if market break any time any day above 100, below 155, we can see a trending market. That to be directional selling market can become market can fall down on here. Market can become sharply fall down from this level below 155, because if it is important for the support, you can see here buyer already try here, buy again try, already 3 times they already try to break out this range, but in the end already just closing on his support level. So that means seller are continuously adding on here. So if 155, maybe not tomorrow we can see this level, maybe in future, but just I wanted to show you this level. If market break down 155, we can sell here, and we can hold our trade for longer target, and it can come fall down till 140, and there is 140 as support, but it's already tested the previous time 120. Even it can be come down in the future, but it's on the future. But for this, it need to start first break 155. If it is not break, if it is pull back again, then we're not going to be sell anymore here. I hope you got this point, friends. If you understand, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you, and thank you very much.